In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to DocuSign a Word document. Whether you're handling business contracts or personal agreements, this step-by-step guide will make the process of digitally signing documents seamless and efficient. Let's dive in and make sure you're all set to get those signatures without breaking a sweat. First things first, ensure that your Word document is saved and ready to go. It's crucial to keep track of its location on your computer. For ease of access, consider placing it in a folder where it can be easily dragged and dropped. Having your document prepped will ensure a smoother experience as we proceed. Once your document is set, log into your DocuSign account. Navigate to the Templates tab that's conveniently located on the DocuSign dashboard. Here, you'll want to click on Create Template. This step is instrumental in setting up a reusable format, particularly if you anticipate needing this document signed multiple times or by various individuals in the future. Now, let's start crafting your template. Begin by giving your template a name. Choose something descriptive and memorable so you can easily identify it later on. Next, you'll need to upload your Word document. You can either click Upload to browse your computer, or simply drag and drop the document into the designated Upload field. DocuSign will take a few moments to process the file. Once your document is successfully uploaded, it's time to add recipients. Decide who needs to sign the document, and for each recipient, assign a role. This ensures everyone knows their part in the document signing process. After setting the roles, enter the names and email addresses of each recipient. Double-check these details to avoid any hiccups later on. With recipients in place, click Next to proceed to the Input Field Editor. This is where you can customize your document. You'll have the ability to drag and drop input fields onto your document. This step is crucial because it allows recipients to fill out necessary information and, most importantly, sign the document. Make sure to add a signature input field wherever signatures are required. You can also add other fields for text, dates, or checkboxes if needed. Once all the fields are appropriately placed and you're satisfied with the setup, it's time to save your template. Congratulations! You've successfully created a DocuSign template using your Word document. This document is now ready to be sent to your intended recipients for their signatures. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering digital document signing with DocuSign.